Number 7 for Riggs Whitworth. A very happy birthday to you, Mr. Riggs. He is celebrating in Humboldt.
All right, and Jace Johnson celebrating the big 3-0 this year. Happy birthday to Jason Frontenac.
Chris Moss turning 45 this week. A big happy birthday to Chris. Going to be a great weekend for a ride, too. He's in Galena.
And it looks like Big John Weber can be seen farming the countryside in Sheldon, Missouri. Well, he's double sixes this year in Lamar.
Elise Briggs, a very happy birthday to you, Miss Elise. I'm being told that her age is perfect.
Nice.
With love from Patrick and the family. Happy birthday, Elise.
Happy birthday, Elise. David Sandberg celebrating another year wiser. David is in Pittsburgh.
On to our anniversaries with Ryan and Heather Whitworth. Wonderful picture right there. Congratulations to Ryan and Heather as they celebrate in Humboldt.
Cleo and Peggy Jones are celebrating their 43rd anniversary. It's Nurse Peggy. Love that lady. Cleo and Peggy are in Girard. Happy anniversary.
Zach Alford, a happy birthday in Crestline. Earl and Carolyn Eddington, they are celebrating an anniversary. Earl and Carol, congratulations in Columbus. And the McCollums also in Columbus. A congratulations and happy anniversary to Charlie and Margaret. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all on this April 1. That's where you can send them into if you use email, birthdays@KOAM-TV.com, or you can go to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com/birthdays. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Now, let's